Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a question of leetcode, that is to sum. So let me open a question. So this is the question. So let me explain you the question. The question is given that given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to a target. You may assume that each input word have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer any word. So let me explain you the sample test case. So the question is given that you are given an array. So suppose this is the array and the example given is 2, 7, 11, 15, and you have to find two indices. Suppose this and this, and this element must be different. That means you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and may not use the same element twice. Matlab means that the that you that if you have to find 14, then you cannot use 7 and 7. That means you can not return 1 and 1. So this is the meaning of that this line, and you have to find the indices that up to the given targets. So here the answer here the target is 9, so I will return to 0 and 1, because the value present at 0 is 2 and the value present at 1 is 7. So 2 plus 7 will be result in 9. So that is our target. So how we will proceed this question? So let me erase this. So firstly think how you can do this question. So suppose I have taken I have taken 2, 7, 11, 15. So let me take another example. Let me take another example. Uh, 3, 9, 3, 2, 1, 7, and the I have to find for the 4. So I have to find how can we achieve the target 4 by the any two distinct elements, any two distinct indices, by summing up the value of any two distinct indices. Okay, so let me check for 2. So 2 will uh, 2, let me check for the first number. So here it is given 2, so I will find for the rest of the rest, that if there is any number present such that that number and 2 result in results is 4. So I will search for 4 minus 2, that means 2. Is there any 2 present in it? So there is no 2 present, so I will traverse the whole from this from starting from the 9 to 7. So there is no 2, so I will proceed for the next element. So I will check from 9 and I will proceed from 3 to 7. So this will also, as 9 is greater than 4, so I will not get any number if that number is positive. So if that number, if this number, if all the number is positive, then I will not get any element any element, any valid answer. So next checking for 3, I will check that if there is a element 1 that is summing with 3 will create 4. So this will be our answer. So, and what will be time complexity of this? So let me explain the time complexity. We are traversing as we are traversing clear the screen. So as we are traversing from 1 to, sorry, as we are traversing from 2 to 9, 317, 9 to 317, that means it will check it. This will take O of n cross n, that means O of n square will be its time complexity, but I will that will be not a good solution to do in O of n square. So here we have given 10 to the power 4, so n square. So and the follow up. So let me solve this question in O of n square first, then I will proceed for. So if target is given, so 4, is there any negative answer number given? Okay, negative also given, so I'll check for it. So anti I 0 I less than nums of size I plus plus 4 I j बराबर I plus 1 j less than nums of size plus plus if nums of I plus nums j which equal to target, then I'll return I and j. Otherwise, if there is nothing found, then I'll return -1 -1. This will be our answer. But the time complexity of this case is O of n square. Okay. So this has been accepted, but it's taking very long time. So let me optimize this code. So think of anything other, like is if what if we'll sort this number. So uh, so what will happen if you sort this number? So this is the number given 29317. So if we'll sort, then it will become 1 2 3 7 9. Okay. And suppose I have to find the target 4. So suppose firstly I will take this number and this number as maximum, as the our final answer. So suppose this sums, if this sums is the our answer, then that means I find the two. Otherwise if uh, the sum of these two numbers is greater than target, then means I have to decrease this sum. So I will come uh, one step forward from back side, so that the number should be greater than that, and the result, the sum should be greater than the previous sum. So again it will be 1 plus 7, that is it is still greater than 4, so still I will come back, and that means 1 plus, and then after 1 plus 3 will get 4, so that will be equal, then I'll return this number. So this will take the n log n time velocity, as we will sort this number, that will take n log n, and for traversal using two pointer will take O of n. So for all time velocity will be O of n log n. Okay, so let me solve this question. So let me sort using sort LCL function, and taking the starting 0 0 while I less than j. Okay. If nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target, then I'll return j. Which if nums of I plus nums of j is greater than target, then means I have to reduce this sum. So I'll come to left side. Otherwise, if this number is less than target, then I'll go to the right side, that means I plus plus. Otherwise, at the last I'll return -1. So this will be our efficient time complexity. This will be very efficient. Okay. See, I have something wrong. Okay, sorry. To take the last LJ. Okay, this was our thing. This will be okay. I think this will be the right solution. The default. Let me check 2 3 4. Have to find 6. Nums of I plus nums of j equal to go to target. Okay. I have to return the original. So I have to take a vector pair. Okay, got it. So let me explain you what I did wrong. So as I have I have sorted the numbers, so I have uh, so that means I have removed the original as 3 to 4 is given. So after sorting it will become 2 3 4, but originally 3 was at 0th position, but now 3 become at the first position. So so the original index, I have to maintain the original index. For this I will, let me take a map. I'll take a map to maintain the initial. Okay. Let me do a change here. Let me make a extra vector of pair that will store the number with the index. So this back the number that is df I and I. After that I will return here. I will check numbers of I dot first. I'll check numbers of I j dot first. So I'll check numbers of I dot first. I dot after here I will change numbers of I dot second. Also I'll change numbers of 0 second. Let me check for this case. I think now it will give correct answer. Okay, let me submit. Let me try to submit it, but it took the extra space off, so I don't think there will be any better solution for this. So that was it. Thank you. Give a like if you really enjoyed it.